So let's take an example of accounts. Okay. So
All
accounts is working as object. Okay. It's a virtual, right? Like each and everything which we are seeing in our around or like in our surround, just like chair, table, right? Uh, Buildings and all of these things are what objects. How we recognize them? We recognize them according to their texture, their color, right?
Mm-hmm.
So all of these things are in real we are seeing, but the objects which we are seeing in our Salesforce are completely virtual ones, system generated, right?
Right.
Those are system generated. So all of these accounts, how the system will know, like how these accounts are different than contacts. Contacts is different than campaigns. So it will depend on their API names as well as their fields, right? In which we are providing different kinds of data.
Okay.
So those fields are nothing but the differentiators between two objects, as well as their API names are also one kind of differentiators. So as by reading the accounts, you are recognizing it that it will be related to some of the accounts or businesses. So
Okay.
by the name of contacts, we can recognize it like it is completely regarding any kind of personal information.
Okay.
And then there is campaign. Campaign, we will see later on how campaign works. But for now, I'm just providing one idea behind campaigns. Like uh, when we are traveling across roads or something, or when we are scrolling our Instagram or Facebook, we see some ads over there, right? We see some ads regarding boot camps or something like that, right? Those are nothing but something promotional ones,
Okay.
right? Promotional ones, like there can be any kind of seminars or webinars are happening regarding Salesforce or other kind of things like data science or something like that.
Mm-hmm.
Then if you click on the book trial, they requires your information in that. They requires your information, just like your name, email address, and uh, your contact number and
Okay.
your interest in which field you want to enroll for,
Okay.
right? So
Yes.
that is nothing but a campaign, right?
Yeah.
The classes which are creating this, for them it is a campaign, right? And for
Yeah.
you it is a promotional ones, or it's an advertisement, right? So those advertisement we are seeing around, just like hoardings, your webinars, your seminars, right? Any kind of pamphlets which we are having for any kind of particular product or service which is launching by any kind of by any kind of company, right? That is nothing but a campaign where uh, they are trying to gather large amount of customers to provide information regarding their new services, their new launches, their new products, so that people gets aware of that products or service. So that is nothing but our campaign is regarding, right? So its name is different. Its work is also different. It is storing data differently than contacts and accounts, right? So its purpose is different. So this is nothing but your S object is. Your S object completely works like your tree, just like your mango tree, the banyan tree, right? So like mango trees are having mangoes as a fruit, right?
Yes.
And there
Yeah.
are branches, right? So there are several branches. On each and different branches, we are having different kind of mangoes, like different mangoes. So those mangoes are nothing but your information. Those branches are nothing but your fields.
Okay.
And whole this structure is your S object. Your whole tree is your S object.
Okay.